How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna keep following the 10 accounts that we're trading. Okay, so let me go ahead and start it right now. So today we have account number 1. I opened a trade yesterday, 29th of July, but unfortunately the trade's going against me, $14. So there's not much to do here other than wait. Margin labs at 6,000%, so there's nothing to do here. Account number 2. Same thing, $11. I mean, positive. There's really not much to do here. Really not much to do here as well. Account number 3. Okay, all trades going negative, but I have a margin of almost 6,000%, so I'm just gonna wait as well. Let me just check something real quick. Okay. So can you see the percentage here? Like change says 1.25%. If we hit a 2.3% or 2%, more or less, okay, 2 point something, 2.1 or 2.3% of of negative trades in percentage, I would say. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open another trade here, another what mark is this? Yeah, another USD CAD selling position to improve my average price. Okay, but I'm not gonna do this right now because we haven't gotten there yet. Okay, now let's go back to account number 4. This is account number 4. Okay, same thing. There's really not much to do here other than wait. Hold up, let me just see something. Here a sec. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, hold up, let me do something here. So what I'm gonna do is I opened this trade on June 22nd, and the trade, wait, hold up. Nah. Yeah, so this trade went in my favor and then it went against me, and now it's back to the break-even point. So this seems like it's not going to be a good trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this trade right here, even though it's a little negative, and I'm going to open another one. I don't know why that's taking forever to close, but yeah. Let me just go back here and look. So what I'm going to try to do is, let me see. I'm going to try to look for other miners in major pairs, currency pairs, to see if we have a trading position. Let me see if I find something. I'm not sure if if my internet's slow though. Okay, that closed. Yeah, my internet's slow. Hold up. So I'm gonna try and sell GBP NZD. Okay, we're gonna try and sell GBP NZD. And I'm gonna sell 0.10. Actually, we do have GBP NZD already. We've already placed in a trade here. So, hold up. So what I'm gonna do instead is, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna try and sell GBP CAD in this case though. GBP CAD. Let me just look at the spread. Spread's 0.9, so it's okay. 0.9. And we're gonna sell 0.10, okay? Now it's gonna take a little while because the internet is really bad right now. I don't know what's happening with my internet, but it is what it is. Okay, that worked. So now, as you can see, the margin is at 3,000%, so it's okay. Let's see what's gonna happen with this trade right here. And yeah, okay, now account number 5. Let's go ahead and check account number 5. 140, 140, 34. Really not much to do here. Account number 6. Uh, 135, 4, and I think I'm gonna close this trade as well. Yeah. Hold up. I'm gonna close this trade right here. I'm gonna close it and try to open another one because it's been like what, 8 days and the chart barely moved in my favor or against me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to go somewhere else. I'm just check the T1. Just check something here. 67. Okay, I'm gonna try and buy AUD CAD. Look at that. Okay. So we're gonna buy 0.10. So AUD CAD, as you can see, the lot size 0.10. So I am trying to decrease. Like I said, I'm decreasing or increasing the proportional lot size to make sure I am more safe or safer. And now the margin level is at 8,000%, so it's really okay. And I closed the trade and open again because, I mean, like I said, it's been 8 days on the previous trade and nothing happened. So I just decided to close and open another one to see if this time the chart's gonna go on my favor, okay? And other than that, that's pretty much it for this account. Account number 7. Okay, so this one was open yesterday and it already moved like $56 in my favor, which is really good. But still, I need more profit. So what I'm gonna try to do here, I'm gonna try to wait to get more profit, at least 1%. Anything above 1% should be enough for me. Like anything from $100 to, I don't know, $200, $300, $400, that would be a lot. But anything above 1%, that's good, pretty good for me. Okay, and as you can see, I barely closed any trades in this account, and the trades that I closed barely gave me any profit. Okay, $14, $19, and $3.3. That's almost break-even point. I was fixing some things, and now I'm slowly getting this account back on track to do the right thing. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna wait to see what's gonna happen with this chart. And of course, you might be saying, oh, but what if you come back here tomorrow and then the chart's back? I mean, the market's back at break-even point, and then you would quote unquote have lost the $54. Then I'll tell you that it is a risk. You know, that's the risk of the market. You don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know if from this point on the chart's gonna keep going down or if it's gonna go up. You know, you don't know what's gonna happen. But that's that's the thing. You don't need to know what's gonna happen. You just need to have your risk management. I mean, you just need to have figured out your risk management. If you have your risk management figured out, then you don't have to try to predict the future, because you're not gonna know exactly. You're never gonna know where the market's going if you don't have privileged information. Okay, if you're just a normal mere human being, you know, if you're just a normal market person trying to trade, then you're not gonna know exactly where the market's going. But you don't have to, like I said. Okay, and if the market moves back against me and it gives me my profit, then it is what it is. But you don't know what's gonna happen. I need to give margin for the market to go in my favor as well, because it's like 50-50, you know. maybe half of the times it's gonna go up again, and then half the time it's gonna go down. And if it goes down, I'm gonna be closing a trade with 1% of profit, and that's what I need. Okay. And about the other two trades, I gotta wait. So there's really not much to do here, other than wait. Okay. Let me see this. You know what I'm gonna do, because this other market here is almost at break-even point. I'm gonna close this trade. So even though I am realizing a loss here of $11, that represents like 0.1% of the account, so that pretty much represents nothing. I'm gonna close this trade right here and open another one. So AUD NZD with 0.10, I'm gonna close it, and I will wait for another order. So for example, let's see. Check your knock. D1. Perfect. I found one. So I'm gonna try and sell Euro knock, okay? Or NOK, whatever you want to call it. Euro NOK. I'm gonna sell 0.10. Great. So we closed ADNZD. Now we open another time Euro NOK. I didn't even know that I had this trade open. Wait, hold up. 29. Hold up. 1,000. Okay, yeah. Let's check something here. Anyone? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and I'll see what's gonna happen in the future, because I'm a little worried about the swap of Euro NOK. But I'm gonna wait a little bit to see how much I'll pay, and then I'll take that into consideration later. But that's pretty much it for account number 7. Let's go back to account number 8 now. Okay, these ones I'm gonna have to wait. There's really not much to do here. Account number 9. Okay. Okay, this one's the same thing. Oh man, I think I'm just gonna close this trade right here. I'm gonna close it and open another one. Let me see which. I mean, I wanted to open CHF, but CHF is really taking up a lot of margin for some reason. Let's check. No, not here. It's here. CHF. Oh, fuck. Yes, CD. CHF. I think CHF is okay now. Not sure. Red. Let me see something. Hold up. I'm gonna try and buy CDCHF. Let's see what's gonna happen to the margin. I'm gonna try and buy it to see what's gonna happen. 6,700%. That's it. Look at this. The margin went down to almost 2,000%. Oh my god, there's no way. There's no way. Unfortunately, man, I am not gonna be trading on CHF. There's no way. There's no way that you open a trade and then it diminishes your margin from 6,700% to 1,000%. It's ridiculous. It's pretty much taking away all of my margin just to hold up to CHF. It's not worth it. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to avoid all of the CHF trades for now. And it's really sad. As sad as it is, it's what's best for us. Okay. H4. I'm gonna buy Euro USD here. You see now? Look at the difference from CHF to Euro USD. The margin's up to 4,900%. I mean, it's almost 5,000%. So one trade took me 1,000% of margin versus 6,000% of margin on the other market, just because of the market. And that's why you need to have that into perspective. And it's the same lot size, pretty much the same commission, the same swapping, but the volatility of the market is what is the reason to why the margin is so low after I open a CHF market order or trade. So that's pretty much it. Let's go to account number 10 now. For this one, it's pretty much the same thing. I gotta wait. It's really not much to do here, but wait. And I'm gonna be trading all of the trades here, all of the lot size. So I'm gonna go and diminish it to 0.10, or even below or lower that at some point later. But for now, that's pretty much what I need to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, and that was today analysis. Okay, for Forex. Let's go ahead and check my Myfxbook now. Hold up. Yeah, so that's my account. That's my Myfxbook here, so you can see and you can actually check the progress. Why is it not showing? Hold up. I don't know what's going on with my internet, but my internet's pretty low these days. Yeah, the chart's supposed to be showing here. Ah, yes. Okay, here it is. So as you can see, the accounts are going up. So as you can see, the dots, or not the dots, but like the edges of the line. At the edges of the line. I don't even know if that's right. But as you can see, these parts of the line, they're going up. You know, most of them. I have just 3 accounts negatives, and this account here is because of my own mistake. Like this account number 6, it was my own mistake. It was not the market going against me, but it was more like a human mistake. But all the other accounts, they are going up, and I am including these other 2 as well, and 2 accounts as well. I just need time now, and as you can see, they are growing. So let me see account number 2. Let's see account number 1. That's pretty much it. So as you can see, guys, these accounts are going up. 1.26% of gain. This one's 168%. In like 15 days or something, you can see the balance, you can see the profit, draw down, the margin. You can see pretty much everything, you know, the profitability, how many trades I did, the percentage rate or winning rate, Sharpe ratio, expectancy. You can see the deviation, the profit factor, average win versus average loss, the amount of pips, the lot size, commissions that I paid, whatever, so that you can see many things, the monthly interest that I made, which with each and every account of the systems. Account number 3, which is a little negative, like I said, 0.50%, not even 1%. I gotta wait for that as well. Unfortunately, I just need to wait. This is account number 4. It's grown 2.59%. Okay. Same thing. You can check it up on Myfxbook so you can see the live progress of the account. We have account number 5, account number 6, which is negative, account number 7, account number 9, account number 10. 10 hasn't made any profit yet. Haven't or hasn't made, I don't know which one's right. But account 10 is still at 0% because the wave of this strategy is against me. So as of now, I gotta wait. There's nothing to do here but wait. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, as you can see, this account's positive. The other account here is positive as well. It is still too early for me to be doing anything as of now, but as you can see, these are the things, and here's my portfolio. So as you can see, for account 1 from account 1 to 10, in total we have $100,000 being traded and divided by 10 accounts. Okay. Every account have $10,000 each, and we have a total profit of 5.47%. Okay. Actually, it's not 5.47%. It's actually 0.54%. I'm sorry, because overall, of course, overall. So we had a profit of $542.84. Okay, which represents 0.50. Yeah, I mean half percent of profit, 0.54% of profit, or 0.50. Yeah, 0.54% of profit overall. Okay, which is not even 1% yet, but that's just because we barely started, and I also made a few mistakes in here. I think if I didn't make this mistake on account number 6, we would have almost 1% in like 15 days, which is pretty good. But this is just the beginning, okay, guys? Just keep that in mind. Although I'm making the series right now, we're gonna be covering up Forex for like many days and like so many months ahead of us. And this is literally just the beginning of the account. And you're probably gonna be seeing results definitely like, let's say 3 to 4 months from now, more or less on average. Okay, anything below that is barely anything, because we need data. I need data to show to you guys, and I'm going to be showing this data on a daily basis. Okay, and not only that, but also if you've made it this far in Forex, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be creating a free beginner's guide or program for Forex. And so if you don't know anything about Forex, you don't know anything about strategy, you don't know anything about anything, stay tuned and stick around, because I'm gonna be creating a completely beginner's guide or a beginner's course on Forex, on how you can trade, what is Forex, how to use it in your favor, how to generate income with Forex in a safe way. Of course, in the way I do it, and it's gonna be completely free. Okay, I'm not gonna be charging for nothing. I am a believer of adding value in people's lives before you ask for anything. Okay, so I am gonna give you something first and then ask something later. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be creating a completely free course. Now, I don't know how many classes this will have, but it's probably gonna be very, very deep. Okay, because I don't want to do anything that's shallow. I want to make a very deep course, and it's gonna be a little annoying if you're not really interested in learning. But at the same time, I'll try to do my best. So this is like the last course that you can buy for Forex, because once you understand the basics and the foundations of Forex, you don't really need to be buying any courses anymore. You know, because honestly, I'm not saying that I'm better than anyone, but listen, once you have this strategy figured out, and once you understand the foundation, like I said, and the foundation of the system, you don't need to buy a course anymore, because by the time you finish the course, you're gonna be understanding everything, and you don't need any other course. I mean, unless you wanna know another strategy. But honestly, man, if you just get really good in one strategy specifically, and you become a master of this specific strategy, then you don't really need to buy any other course. And that's pretty much what happened to me. You know, I still buy courses because I want to learn the strategies, because I do them apart. But that's because I already not mastered, but like I already got good enough in one strategy to the point where I can separate. You know, I can separate one strategy from another one. But for you, if you're starting right now, I don't think it's intelligent for you to be trying to do many things at the same time. It is good for you to really focus on one thing, get really good at one thing first, and once you get really good at one thing first, and you understand the solid foundations, the basics of the system, the strategy, the risk, everything, the portfolio risk, everything when it comes to that, then you're gonna be able to to have it. You're gonna have to. I mean, you're gonna be able to learn more this way, I think. Okay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later. Bye.